I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've accidentally deleted comments on LinkedIn and want to recover them, follow these steps. Step 1. Check your activity log. Navigate to your profile and click on the activity section. This log shows all your recent interactions, including comments. Step 2. Filter for comments. In the activity section, look for the Comments tab. This will help you narrow down your search to just the comments you've made. Step 3. Review your comments. Scroll through the list of comments to find the one you want to recover. If you remember the post or the context, it can help speed up your search. Step 4. Take a screenshot. Once you find the deleted comment, take a screenshot or copy the text. LinkedIn does not allow you to directly recover deleted comments, but you can save the information for future reference. Step 5. Reach out to LinkedIn support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, once a comment is deleted, it is generally gone for good, so it is a good idea to keep a record of important comments. Hope this helps you out.